Let go.
Eric, Deuce is a laser cat.
He is a laser cat. Looks like your baby. Is that your kid?
Eric, you didn't do it.
Eric's not drunk. He wasn't feeling it.
He's a laser cat.
I know he's...
Show him.
Alright, who's playing?
Show me the laser cat.
We have categories. Why are you so mad at me right now?
I want to see Deuce be a laser cat.
It's professional categories.
I want to see Deuce be a laser cat. Please make him a laser cat.
It's like the real deal.
What?
I don't even know how to make him a laser cat.
You did it before.
Put a girl in it.
Make sure you see the scariest product placement movie of the summer.
Go laser cat, laser cat.
Computer texting and with special guest voice cued to GPS navigation.
Is it? I don't know. No, use the speed. Oh no, that's only when I cock it. You gotta cock it. Well, when I cock it.
Just say cock for
She
me.
won't give me a speed. I just want to hear you say cock.
He wants to hear you say cock.
So is this. Why do we match?
What is he staring at?
The answer is
Dude,
What is
just cock him.
That's why you should try a new liquid energy.
Deuce doesn't want to be a laser cat.
He's got not enough cock. Stick your finger in his ass.
You know, that's because 5 hours.
Finger his asshole.
Don't, Eric.
No.
Eric.
Fuck you, dude. Come on. Ah! 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 Olympics. Oh!
The slow shot takes you seconds to wait, and in minutes you're feeling wait, not feeling
Come on.
for comfort.
Dude, you fucked my arm. You want to do karate? I'm gonna fuck you up. I fuck you. Come on, stop. I'd rather you just play board games, but if you want to kick it right. It really hurts. Charlie,
that really hurting is still hurting.
Spit it out. Oh. Dude, don't fuck with me. I've been watching movies. I just watched that, so I'll never back down.
Bye, Lynn.
Ah!